Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to thank you for your patience because it takes time to make good things, and I'm still trying to figure out some technical stuff about the camera and storage. So I really want to thank you for your patience, guys, and don't worry because I will definitely make more and more videos for you. If this is your first time here on the New Yorker Style, I'm doing effortless chic fashion, fashion hauls, how to styles, vlogs, and many more. So make sure you subscribe to my channel because this is the only channel when you will get inspirations from Paris, London, and New York, and all of the styles that I'm doing, guys, for you are inspired by those capital of fashion. So make sure you click on the bell to get notifications, and let's go. So I had this message from one of my followers, one of my subscribers, and she wanted me to style the quilted jacket. And you're asking, I'm delivering, and here is the video about how to style the quilted jacket. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to style this quilted jacket. Right here, quilted jacket for summer. If you want me to style a particular outfit, don't hesitate to send me a message, and I'll do my best to try to style it for you and to give you inspiration ideas. You can also send me messages on my Instagram, guys. Don't hesitate. So the styles that I'm doing are not in the classical part, you know. It's gonna be more into the modern, urban. If you're into classical styles, this might not be the channel where you will see classical styles, but you will see trendy stuff, and you can always get inspirations, guys. And don't forget to tag me or to quote me wherever you reproducing my looks, because it will give more love to my creations. And this is all about creating stuff, guys. And don't hesitate to share, to leave a comment, and to give it a like. If you like something in this video, don't hesitate to like. So here's the quilted jacket. I had one, as you can see, quilted jacket inspired by function and utility. So guys, I had this one, and it has a removable hat. You see the buttons right here. So the removable hat is quite interesting because I personally don't like to remove it. So I'm not into removing the hat whenever I have those kind of jackets or coats with removable hats. First of all, because if you remove it and you wash it, the color will change. So you don't want to have a hat of a different color, you know, and the rest of the jacket. So this is not what we want. It's much for fall, spring, and even summertime, because you know summer nights can be kind of cold sometimes. It's always good to have something warming up to keep you warm. So the quilted jacket is a practical outfit because it's not gonna take a lot of room in your suitcase, because you can always pack it like this, putting everything in the hat, and there you go. So it doesn't take a lot of room if you pack it. This is what I like about it. I like the details of this because the buttons have the same color as the jacket. As I said, it's perfect for all season, summer nights, even under a coat during winter to give an extra warmth. It's perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't hesitate to leave a comment, share, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, because there are a lot of things that are coming. So until then, I'll see you in my next one. Peace.